all the fundraisers and supporters who donate to the Breast Centre Apêl. I see on a daily basis the benefits and the good that comes out of it, and I know that that money is being well spent. Patients who exercise regularly during and after treatment are 40% less likely to have a recurrence of their breast cancer. So they wanted to put in place an exercise prescription programme to give all the patients the information and support to exercise throughout their treatment. When they're exercising throughout their treatment, the side effects are diminished. So it can help with cancer-related fatigue, it can help with bone health, it can help with all sorts of the anxiety and depression that can come along with some of the severe treatments that they have to go through.
So I've been doing classes now for about 2.5 years since I was first treated, and I've been doing circuits for about 7-8 months now because I needed to get enough fitness to be able to do this class. I actually joined some of Tor's classes to help me manage through chemo and the side effects, and it really has helped me manage my side effects much better. I'm much stronger, much fitter, and mentally I feel better about managing my own health.
In recovering from 2 operations that I've had as a result of my breast cancer, I needed to increase my strength and my range of movement. I had a lot of pain after my second operation. I literally just could not get my hand any higher than my shoulder. It's increased my confidence and resilience because I can see progress. I've worked up from the smaller weights to the larger weights, and I can do more and I'm stronger. I'm really, really grateful for having this because it brings so much confidence and support to people who are struggling. And I honestly think it's made the most difference along with my physio.
It's a brilliant programme. It really helps people through treatment and after treatment. And I really want to raise funds so that other women can benefit from this as well. I'm on a training plan now and fully on track to run the half marathon this year to raise money for the Breast Cancer Centre to support the centre that supported me.
We're incredibly lucky that the charity has funded the service here, but also funds classes at Splash Central.
I'm Natalie O'Shea. I am the co-director here at Splash Central.
I'm Sarah Marks. I'm the co-director with this one at Splash Central, and I'm a general dog's body.
Every Friday we do aqua.
And that's why I look like this, sweating like a pig on 30-degree heat on poolside. On a more serious note, ladies that have been affected with breast cancer might find it quite intimidating going into a swimming pool environment wearing bathers after the surgery that they had. Aqua provides a really fun half an hour, or hour. They can come with like-minded people that have gone through the same experiences as them, and have a lot of fun while I'm shouting at them from poolside. And Natalie is completely not doing the moves that she should be doing.
But making them feel a lot better.
Making them feel a lot better than
Yeah.
themselves. Yeah.
Absolutely.
A lot of patients who are going through some of the harsher treatments, like chemotherapy, the first hurdle to exercise is actually leaving the house. So the screen comes in really handy for me because it means I can bring exercise to them in their homes. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all the fundraisers and supporters who donate to the Breast Centre Apêl.
I would like to say thank you to the Breast Care Centre for the financial support, but also the ability to be able to work with ladies that have not had the realisation of how much they teach us. And they come here and they thank us all of the time, but we're not the ones that need to be thanked.
Not at all.
They do. They're amazing.
And we love it. We absolutely love it, and hopefully that comes through in all our classes. And
I wouldn't sweat like this for anyone.